Hi there, and welcome to the MACUL Annual Conference. We're so excited to have you here. This video will give you a brief overview on how to use the Hopin platform during MACUL. Let's enter the event. First, we're going to take a look at the reception page. This page goes live when the event begins. Hopin opens at 1:55 p.m. on Wednesday, March 17th. All workshops begin at 4 with the opening keynote at 6:30. You can check this page throughout the event for messages from MACUL and see what's coming up on the schedule. On the right-hand side, you'll see a few tabs. The People tab includes a list of everyone who is registered for the event. If you wish to send someone a private message, you can scroll through here, click on their name, or search for them in the search bar. Once you've found that person, you can go ahead and click on their name, invite them to a video call, schedule a meeting, or just simply say hi. The event chat is a chat for the entire event. So here, everyone in the event will see your thoughts and comments. Each session will have its own specific chat where you can chat with others in the session or with the moderators of the session. We do have polls as well, but only the event organizers can create polls. If the organizers choose to create polls throughout the event or sessions, you will see them here. A small red dot will appear with any of these: chat, polls, or people. When there's a new chat, poll, or people, you will see a small red dot here. There are 4 main components to the Hopin event: the main stage, breakout sessions, networking, and the expo hall. The main stage is where our conference welcome, awards, and keynotes will take place, along with some other general sessions. Breakout sessions is where you're going to find most of the sessions. You can join a breakout session by simply clicking on the session, and from here you'll be able to see what's going on the screen and type in the chat with fellow attendees and speakers. If there is an interactive component up for the session, like a Q&A with speakers, you can join on screen by clicking the Share Audio or Video. Networking is a one-to-one video networking. This will hook you up with someone else in the event at random. You can participate in networking and chat with others for a predetermined amount of time set by the event host. And finally, Expo Hall. This is where sponsors and vendors booths are. You can click inside a sponsor or vendor booth and see if they have a live session, presentation, video, or special offer. Here you can share your interests to receive emails from the organizer, or you can join on screen to engage with both organizer as well. You can navigate to a booth chat feature where you can share about how much you like their product or drop a question to the organizer. We do want to point out there's also a MACUL help desk that will be open during specific times throughout the conference. We hope that you enjoy your experience with Hopin and MACUL. And again, thank you for joining us for our very first virtual MACUL conference.